In this video, I'm going to show you how to clip with OBS Studio without lag. OBS doesn't have a built-in clip button like Twitch or Shadow Play, but you can set it up to record short clips smoothly by using the replay buffer feature. First, enable replay buffer. Open OBS Studio, then go to File, Settings, then Output. Switch output mode to Advanced. Click the Replay Buffer tab. Click Enable Replay Buffer. Now, set the maximum replay time, like for example 30 to 60 seconds, depending on how long you want your clips. Now, set Replay Buffer hotkey. Go to Settings, then Hotkeys. Find Save Replay. Assign a key like for example R to quickly save clips while recording or streaming. Now, to start Replay Buffer on the main OBS screen, click Start Replay Buffer alongside Start Recording Stream. Whenever something happens you want to clip, press your hotkey, the R button, then OBS saves the last 30 to 60 seconds as video file automatically. And that's it. That's how to clip OBS Studio without lag.